Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing ingredients and an undercover location. Buy 3 types, dark 70%, milk, and 1 nutty bar to satisfy texture variety. Once purchased, wrap each bar in parchment or small resealable bag to limit scent. Make sure your stash spot is cool, under 21 degrees, and not near windows. Move the package into your chosen hideout quickly and quietly. Label a small slip with date and type, so you rotate older bars first and avoid spoilage. Now you preserve and conceal effectively. You vacuum seal or double bag bars to reduce scent and humidity, which keeps chocolate fresh longer. Place an odor absorber, coffee beans, or sealed citrus peel near but not touching the chocolate to mask aromas. Once done, nest the packages inside a neutral item like folded towels or a shoebox in your hideout. Make sure the hideout is out of routine sightlines. That prevents accidental discovery and ensures your secret staycation stash lasts through multiple cravings. Finish by organizing access and contingency plans. You rotate stock by eating the oldest bar first and mark each package with a date so nothing lingers past its best quality. If white bloom appears, don't panic. Retemper gently or grate the chocolate into recipes like cookies or hot cocoa. If someone stumbles on your stash, stay calm, offer a polite diversion, and swiftly relocate the remaining bars to an alternate hideout. Finally, make sure to check temperature and scent controls weekly to avoid mess or spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.